This video is going to be how to make a natural lip plumper. So guys, I don't know if you guys know, but cinnamon is a natural lip plumper. So I'm going to take some cinnamon, put it in my lip balm, guys, and I'm going to stir it up. And really I need to melt it and then let it come back together. And guys, you will have a natural lip plumper. So like for those women that like them natural looking puffy lips, cinnamon is a natural lip plumper, guys. So I'm stirring it up in here, and then yeah, cinnamon will plump your lips naturally, guys. So if you guys want natural plump lips and without, you know, like harsh injection and stuff like that, you guys can take whatever lip balm y'all using, or watch the video that I did where you make your own lip plumper. And guys, cinnamon, use cinnamon. Cinnamon is a natural lip plumper. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Yes, cinnamon, guys. All natural lip plumper, cinnamon. So you guys can use that and watch your lips plump up right away. And a lot of times I put this on before I do my makeup, and when I get ready to do my lipstick, I wipe it off because I already have my lips plump the way I want them. So alrighty guys, try this natural lip plumper, cinnamon. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Guys, I'm going to show you guys my natural lip plumper and what it do. And this is my regular lip gloss that I made, but guys, the secret ingredients to make me get plumper lips: cinnamon. Cinnamon plumps your lips. So see that, guys? You guys want nice plump lips? Cinnamon. It plumps your lips, guys. So guys, mix some cinnamon with your lip balm and it will plump your lips up. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Okay guys, here's different screenshots. Yes guys, cinnamon really does plump your lips up. So if you want natural plump lips, it stimulates blood flow to the lips, guys, and it plumps your lips up and is more natural and healthy, guys. If you guys want plumper lips, use cinnamon. There go the Google research of what cinnamon does to plump the lips. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.